Great. So we've covered creating a page, getting a URL, making it linkable in the menu, keeping things organized from a hierarchy standpoint with tree view. We've covered some of these random little settings and blue boxes here and what they actually do and mean. But what if we wanted something a little more custom? What if like this random text here just isn't cutting it? Like I can't get enough links and images and I want more. A little more advanced, but still really, really easy. A good example of that is like the homepage. What if we want like a slider at the top? What if we want nice buttons like this? How do you get that? It's actually really easy. You would just open up sections, and rather than doing content here, you would use content section. So you can just see 1, 2, 3. And as you kind of hover these different items, you can kind of see your options here. And so everything you could just kind of add, and you get all these different options to fill out. And I don't know, let's just say we added like these 3 here. You can rearrange them, complete all the fields, hit save, and then you would have these awesome pages. That is how every single page of this website is actually built, or your website is built. So I like to do this trick just to really show it off. So let's say the homepage. This is definitely the most complex page. You have, a nav at the top, you have a hero, you have these buttons, you got these like calendars and these grid icons and these videos. But really, all of this is are blocks. So let's do, let me finish this trick here. And you could totally ignore what I'm doing on the dev side of things. I'm just trying to put a border on things. This has nothing to do with the site. You can't do this. It's just a little code thing. But you can kind of see how everything is just a block. So if I actually wanted to, I could go to edit this page. And you can see block, 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 rearrange. Here's those videos. Let's put those to the top. You could do anything you wanted here. And then there's a bunch of settings through all of these. And I kept trying to say this from the beginning, but if you're just trying to edit, like say the staff page for board of directors or something like that, go to this page, click edit, and you'll see block, 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 and you'll be able to find these different settings, modify, hit save, move on with your life. Very fast, very easy, and you don't have to really think of design. You just kind of answer the questions here, rearrange, or maybe if you wanted to, you could just like add a new section. Like maybe we just wanted content at the bottom or some buttons. We could just kind of like fill all this out. The difference between heroes and sections is really nothing, except heroes is the top of the site, sections is the body of the site. When you create a page from scratch, your heroes will always just start with a simple nav and the main hero. That's just to get you going. But if we would go back, just to prove it to you all, if we would go back to our demo training page, if we really wanted to be kind of a little bit wild, technically we could add like 10 simple navs. And I'm just doing this for demo purposes only. And so now we have this block of simple nav, main hero, and then like 3 other simple navs. So let's just see what happens. It's probably gonna break and not look good, but yeah, you can kind of see everything still just stacks on top of each other, and you could do really weird stuff. But chances are you'll never do that. The real value with heroes is, 1, you have a default, so you don't have to redo this every time. But then 2, it just makes it easy to personalize your pages. For the next video, I'll cover what these blocks do a little bit more and talk about kind of some of these different sections that you can add to your website.